Good morning and namaste, dear student. How are you? How's your study is going on? I hope you are well and hearty and going your study very well. Welcome to this virtual class developed by Join School family, and it is specially designed for the student of class 9 and 10. I'm your English teacher and I'm going to teach you English in this class. It is the continuation of the previous topic, that is reading comprehension. Under this topic, we are going to learn about the tricks for solving short answer questions of comprehension passage. In the comprehension passage, there are different types of short answer questions are given here. In these videos, we are learning the tricks, we are learning the tips to solve the different types of WH questions under very short answer questions. In the previous video, that is day 7 video, you have learned the tricks of solving yes-no questions, who questions, and what questions. Today, in this video, that is video 8, you are going to learn about other types of WH questions in this class. Another question is where question. The answer of where question can be place. While reading the passage, you have to find out the place to write the answer of where question. The answer of where question is written after object. We write the answer after object. Let's clear it from the example. Where did the corona kill a man? Is the question. The answer is the corona killed a man in the hospital. In the hospital is the answer of this question where, and we have written the answer after object. The corona is a subject, killed verb, a man is the object, and after object we have written the answer. Another type of question is when question. The answer of when question can be time or time clause. While reading the passage, you have to find out the time or time clause for the when questions. Time clause is a type of adverb clause that begins with a time word. Time clause is a type of adverb clause that begins with a time word. For example, when did you last attend the class? Answer is I attended my last class on 5th Chaitra 2076. 5th Chaitra 2006 6 is the time clause of this statement. Written at the end of the sentence, and the answer of when question, that is time or time adverb, is written at the end of the sentence. In the last part of the sentence, we write the answer of when question. Let's see the example. When was corona patient taken to the hospital? The corona patient was taken to the hospital yesterday at 4 o'clock. Yesterday at 4 o'clock is the answer of this question, and we have written the answer of this question at the end of the answer, at the end of the statement. Another WH question is why. why question. The answer of why question can be reason, and purpose. The answer of why question can be reason or purpose. Reason means an idea which supports or justifies an act or belief. In reason is an idea which supports or justifies an act or belief. In purpose is the intention, aim, or function of something. Purpose is the thing that something is supposed to be achieved. So let's read how we can write the answer of why question. How we can write the reason answer in the why questions. Here is the structure of reason answer. Reason statement, comma, plus so, therefore, plus statement is the reason. Structure of the reasons. In the beginning of the answer sentence, we write the reason statement, and so, therefore, is used to join the statement, reason statement and statement. What we use? We use so, therefore. And another way we can write the reason as an answer is written in because, as, since plus reason statement. We write the connector because, as, since, and after that we write the reason statement. Let's clear it with the help of the example. Why is coronavirus called COVID-19? Why is coronavirus called COVID-19 is the question, why question, and you have to write down the reasons why coronavirus is called COVID-19. We have written the reason statement at the beginning of the sentence, and we have written the connective because, and after that statement. In simplest term, COVID-19 stand for CO, corona, VI stand for virus, D stand for disease, and 19 stand for 2019, the year that the virus first hit. This is the statement. After statement, so or therefore. We use so or therefore. We have used so here. And then statement. So it is called COVID-19. In this way, we write the reason as an answer of why questions. In another way you can write a statement in the beginning. It is called COVID-19, and then join with because, or join with as or since, and after that you can write the reason statement. The reason statement is in simplest term, COVID-19 stands for COVID, CO, virus, VI, this is D, and 19, 2019, the year that the virus first hit. In this way, you can write the reason after because, as, since. Now another way of writing the answer of why question. Okay. Another way of writing reason in the answer is written or joined with because of, if there is noun or noun phrase. If there is noun or noun phrase, we join with because of. See the example. Why was COVID-19 called a pandemic disease? COVID-19 was called a pandemic disease because of severe illness and quick spread all over a wide area. This is there is noun phrase. So if there is noun phrase, before noun phrase, we join with next purpose. If the why question asks purpose, we write the purpose using this structure. Structure written in so that plus purpose statement, or so that plus subject plus can could plus B1. Let's see the example. Why does the government test PCR? The government test PCR so that it could detect corona patient. This so that it could detect corona patient is the purpose statement. We can write the purpose in this way, or we can write purpose using this structure. Next way of writing purpose is written in to or in order to plus B1 plus other words. Example, why do the two boys come to the hospital? The two boys come to the hospital in order to test PCR, or the two boys come to the hospital to test PCR. Using in order to or using to, we write the purpose statement. Another ways of writing purpose is written in for plus bing verb, that is before, plus object or adverbs, or for plus noun or pronoun. Let's see the example. Why do you stay at home? Sorry, why do you stay at home? I stay at home for preventing me from coronavirus. So after for, we have used for, after for verb ing, and then we have written other things, other words for the answer of why question. The why question with asks for purpose. Another WH question is which. The answer of which question can be definite person or things. The answer of which question can be definite person or things. You have to find out the definite person or things inside the passage while writing the which question. Which disease is known as pandemic at present? COVID-19 is known as pandemic at present. COVID is a specific, definite disease, that is pandemic at present. Now next is answer of whom question can be person in object. Answer of whom question can be person in object. Whom did the corona kill in the hospital? The corona killed an old man in the hospital. An old man is the answer of whom question, and it is written in the place of object. The corona subject, kill verb, and an old man is object. In place of object, we have written the answer of whom questions. The next is the answer of whose question can be person in possessive case. Her, his, hers. This is how we write the answer in possessive case. Whose mother tongue is Hindi? Indians. Indians' mother tongue is Hindi. There is person. We have written the person in positive case. So answer of whose question is person in positive case. And next, the answer of how question can be manner. You can use this structure subject, verb, object plus adverb of manner. How is coronavirus spreading in the world? The coronavirus is spreading in the world rapidly. Rapidly is the manner. So using this structure subject, verb, object plus adverb of manner. We write adverb of manner for how questions. Another way of writing the answer of how question is subject, verb, object plus by plus ing verb. Verb in ing form. See the example. How can we remain safe from coronavirus? We can remain safe from coronavirus by following safety precaution methods. After this is, we can remain safe from coronavirus. This is the statement. After statement, by, after by ing verb, following, and we write other words by following safety precaution methods. In this way, using this structure, we write the answer of how questions. There, the how question start with how old. If it is start with how old, you have to find out about the age of something, somebody. If how question start with how many, you have to find out the number of somebody, something. If how question start with how much, you have to write about amount of some things. If how question start with how far, you have to write down the distance. You have to find out the distance in the passage. If how question start with how long, you have to find out the length of something, or you have to find out length of time. If how question start with how often, you have to write the answer using the word once or twice or regularly or quite often. In this way, using these words, you have to write down the answer of how question start with how often. In this way, we write the answer of short answer questions in comprehensive passages. Practice this, learn these tricks, tips, time and again, and sure about writing the answer of different WH questions, and be skillful in writing very short answer question in comprehensive passages. The most important thing is practice. If you practice a lot, it becomes easy. If you do not practice, it will become difficult. So only this much for today. Rest in the next class. Thank you.